Yes, let's go. Picture this right now, a plain glass jar staring back at you. This jar? It's your day, your life. Every second you get poured right in here. But most people, they mess it up big time. They dump in the sand first, all those tiny distractions. Scroll, scroll, notifications, ping, ping, ping. Then pebbles, random errands, quick chats, busy work that feels urgent but isn't. And guess what? No room left for the big stuff, their dreams, their goals, left outside, forgotten. Frustrating, right? You felt that. But hold up, watch this magic happen. First, the big rocks. Boom, slam those massive stones in. These are your game changers, your health grind, your dream project, family time that matters, deep work blocks that build empires. Get them in first, lock them down, no negotiations. See that? Rocks drop in heavy, clunk, clunk, clunk. They take their space, they're immovable. That's power. Next, pebbles, shake them in. They rattle around, fill the gaps perfectly. Meetings, smaller tasks, quick wins, they fit because the rocks are already dominating. And now, pour that sand. It sneaks into every crack, every tiny space. Distractions, social media, random stuff. It all fits after the important things are secured. Look at that jar, full, packed with purpose, overflowing with progress. That's what winning looks like. Now flip it. Do it wrong. Sand first. Distractions pile up. Pebbles next. Busy chaos. Try jamming a big rock in now. Nope, it bounces off. Overflow. Dreams crushed. Time wasted. That's where most people live. Busy but broke on results. Not you, not anymore. Mark did exactly this. He was drowning in sand. Until one day, bam! He flipped the script. Every single morning he roared, "What are my rocks today?" He wrote 3 monsters. Crush workout. Build business 2 hours deep. Real talk with family. Phones off. Locked in first. Non-negotiable. Phone silenced. Distractions blocked. Discipline on fire. He attacked those rocks like a beast. No mercy. Pebbles filled in later. Sand? Barely noticed. Because it didn't steal his power. Weeks flew by. Results exploded. Body stronger. Business launching. Relationships deeper. Graph shooting straight up. Why? Because he put first things first. Listen, you have the exact same jar. Same 24 hours. The difference? Order. Prioritize like your life depends on it. Because it does. Discipline isn't punishment. It's your superpower. Commitment isn't optional. It's your edge. Productivity isn't about more time. It's about ruthless focus on what moves the needle. People say, "But I'm too busy. I have to handle the small stuff first." No, that's the trap. The small stuff, sand and pebbles, will always find a way in. But if you don't slam the rocks first, your big goals get crushed forever. Another excuse, "I'll do the big rocks when I have time." Time doesn't magically appear. You make time by protecting your rocks. Everything else adjusts around them. And it's too rigid. Wrong. It's liberating. Once rocks are locked, the rest flows easily. No more guilt, no more overwhelm, just pure momentum. Stand tall. Fist up. You're not average. You're built for big. Fill that jar right, rocks first, and watch your life become unstoppable. You feel that fire? That's your potential roaring. Take it, own it, crush it. Your move starts now. Go claim those rocks. You've got this. Let's go.